A shop gives a 20% discount on a shirt that originally cost 5,000 naira. What is the selling price after discount? So the question is expecting us to calculate the selling price after discount. So the original cost, let's use OC to represent original cost, is equal to 5,000 naira, and the discount is 20%. So the first thing we are expected to do is for us to find the discount price. So the discount price will be 20% of 5,000, okay? So this will give us 0.2 multiplied by 5,000, which is equal to 1,000 naira, okay? So the discount price is 1,000 naira. So for us to get the selling price, we are going to subtract the discount price from the original cost, okay? So we know that the discount price, which is DP will be our discount price, is 1,000 naira, and the original price or the original cost, which is OC, is 5,000 naira. So the selling price SP will be 5,000 minus 1,000. Okay, so our SP, which is the selling price, will be 4,000 naira. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. This question can also be solved using this method. Now, since the discount given was 20%, it means that the selling price will be 80%. So SP will be 80%. That is 100% minus 20% will give us 80%. So we have to calculate 80% of 5,000 naira. So we have 80% of 5,000 will be 0.8 multiplied by 5,000. That will give us 4,000. So option B is the answer using the second method. If the shop now adds a 10% tax after discount, what is the final price? So we have a tax of 10%, okay? Then after the discount, the selling price was actually 4,000 naira. So we have to calculate 10% of 1,000, okay? So we have to calculate 10% of 4,000. So we have 10% of 4,000. That will give us 0.1 multiplied by 4,000, which is equal to 400 naira. Okay, so for us to know the final price, which is now FP, will be 4,000 naira plus 400 naira. This will give us 4,400 naira. Okay, so the final price is 4,400 naira. A jacket originally cost $10,000. A store offers a 30% discount. What is the selling price after discount? Now, since the discount of 30% was given, discount of 30%, it means that the selling price, which is SP, is equal to 70% of the original price. And the original price was given as $10,000. How did we get this 70%? It is 100 minus 30, which is 17%, okay? Which is 70%. So SP, which is the selling price, is 0.7 multiplied by 10,000. So this will give us 7,000, okay? So the selling price, which is SP, is $7,000. So the correct answer is C. Solve this question and indicate your answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.